So now what I'm going to do is turn on my camera right here so that you can see myself right here. So what you can do is you can also go around and turn on different modes while you're actually sharing your screen. So I'm going to go to share right here, and then I'm going to let's say for example select out the screen right here. Once I do that, you can see that I am in the screen sharing mode right here. So once that is done, I can go around and you can see that the camera is here as well. I can turn on and off my camera, or you can go to different modes right here. Like this is the presentation mode, just like this. But there's other modes over here as well. So if I were to go around onto the top, you can see side by side is a mode as well. So this is when people actually see yourself like this. You can change around the size right here, just like this. So your face size, that is the webcam size, and the screen size actually changes, as you can see. And you can change around the position over here as well. Another type of like screen share arrangement is the reporter mode right here. So you can see that this is what you have. You can really change out the size right here. So the screen is not full screen right here, but you can see that you are here and there's someone in the there's something in the background, and there's the screen right here which is being shared. And those are the different modes that you can see right here, and you can stop presenting anytime, just like that. So that is how you can use the side-by-side and reporter mode during the screen share inside of Microsoft Teams. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.